I have a problem with my washing machine, and I wanted to show you guys how artificial intelligence has come a long way into analyzing and understanding pictures and problems. Okay, the problem is, let me show you what the problem is. I have some bad odor coming from the washing machine. I tried the tub cleaning function several times. I cleaned the rubber seal, but the problem still persists. Now, I contacted a qualified washing machine expert, and he told me what the problem was. The problem was the drainage. So this washing machine is connected to the sink, and he said that the backflow of the water is causing the bad odor. And he drew me something. So I fed all of that into the AI, and I wanted to know what the AI would say about this. And check out what the AI said. It's just incredible how far we have come. And the AI completely analyzed everything and understood what the problem was. So you can see I fed the AI these images. These are the images that I fed the AI so that it can understand what's going on. And this was the washing machine expert's drawing of the problem. He said that you have to have this U-shaped bend in order to prevent the backflow of dirty water back into the machine. Now, I mentioned all of that here, and then let's see what ChatGPT says. The issue you're facing with your washing machine could be due to a few different factors, but the expert's theory seems plausible based on the information provided. The odor you're experiencing could indeed be due to improperly configured drainage, which can cause backflow of dirty water into the machine. Look at this part, guys. This is insane. It understood the entire thing. The photos shows that the drainage pipe appears to run directly to the drainage without an upward loop or U-bend. The U-bend, also known as a P-trap, I had no idea what that is. Plumbers would know. When it's part of your home plumbing, is designed to hold a small amount of water at all times, which acts as a seal to prevent sewer gases and backflow from coming up through the drainage. Without this, it's possible for dirty water to siphon back into the machine, especially if the sink drain is clogged or slow, which would definitely cause a bad smell. Using cleaning solutions in the hot tub cleaning function is a good practice, but if the root cause is backflow from the drainage, these measures won't completely solve the problem. The drawing you provided is a correct depiction of how the drain hose should be arranged. It should rise from the washing machine and then loop higher than the water level of the washing machine before it goes down to the drain. This way, gravity prevents the water from flowing back into the washing machine. So you can see, guys, how incredibly amazing AI has come so far in analyzing and understanding the problem.